Look at these beauts. The tray panels, brand new aqua waterproof shower boards, perfect for bathrooms, wet room areas, etc. And what better way to fix them to the wall so they last using Max Bond. As you can see, I've transformed this whole bathroom area using Tray Panels products. The flooring was installed first, which was a waterproof LVT click and lock flooring system, laid in a herringbone pattern. Then I applied 2 different styles of Tray Panels aqua shower boards across 3 separate walls, and that's when 3C's Max Bond really came into force. Now, one thin line applied 50mm from the outside edge all the way around all 4 sides. Then 2 lines in the centre is more than enough to hold these very heavy, sturdy aqua boards directly onto a good solid wall. 3C Max Bond for maximum strength and maximum adhesion. It's a premium grade, fast curing, high strength, waterproof power adhesive based on MS polymer, which has extremely high initial and long-lasting bond strength that's suitable for a variety of different applications, both inside and outside. Whenever using most products that cure, it's desirable for the surfaces to be bone dry. However, that's not always the case. That's why Max Bond has been scientifically designed to tolerate moist surfaces really well. Now the larger flush panels are complete, I jump straight onto the 2 side joining walls, covering these with a different tri-panel shower aqua board. Now this style is from their new 3D waterproof range. When you look closely to the rear of these boards, they're corrugated both sides. Therefore the Max Bond needed to be applied to the raised lip section on the back of the 3D style board. This assures that the Max Bond contacts and bonds to the surface behind. When using Max Bond, these kind of aqua shower boards can be fixed to any type of surface, from plaster to concrete boards, ceramic, porcelain, glazed or quarry wall tiles. Now whenever you're applying any adhesive, especially to an item like this where it's fluted and you've got to put it on the raised edges of the back of the board, cut your nozzle at a 45-degree angle, and that way you're going to waste a lot less adhesive, and also you're going to get it neater on the small areas where it needs applying. The adjoining edge and lip on these type of shower boards needs to be sealed if you're using them in a wet or moist area like bathrooms or wet rooms. This is where Max Bond again comes into its elements. Not only does it have this super maximum strength and maximum adhesion, it also forms a waterproof seal between both panels, making it the perfect waterproof choice for any bathroom transformation. Now I can personally vouch for it. Max Bond will adhere to hundreds of different porous and non-porous substrates, offering such a phenomenal final cure strength, which also remains permanently flexible even when cured. Now the aqua panels are set into position. I'm going to seal all corners from the top ceiling right the way down to the bottom of the walls, as well as sealing the waterproof LVT flooring where it meets the flush and 3D aqua shower wall panels. This will make sure that no water will weep through the joints and penetrate into the surface behind. So that's my bathroom now complete. The LVT flooring, both aqua wall panels, the freestanding bath and the wall mirror are all supplied by wallsandfloors.co.uk. Check out their website for the full new range of colours and styles to meet everybody's design. Max Bond is available direct from Sealants online, Amazon and eBay.